Hi, my name is Fosca. I had many problems during all my pregnancy. I have 2 C-section. I have more miscarriage. I had multiple surgery, and therefore I have also a lot of keloids. So I have several discomfort. I have problem with my period, and the keloids, of course, that cause me a lot of problem. I try to resolve this problem. I've been so many, especially without absolutely any positive results. And then I researched, and then I heard about Dr. Wakil, and I heard about this clinic, and I've been so lucky to have a consultation with Dr. Wakil that explained me everything. He made me very comfortable, and he explained me about the concept. Thanks to that, I don't have discomfort anymore. My period is back to normal, so no coagulation anymore. My period is on time. I still having the tension of my breast and all the symptoms, all the things you have just when you are so young. I really forgot about that. And it's fantastic. It's everything. Is now I feel, under every point of view, honestly, I feel like I'm 25 years old. So I cannot say thank you enough to Dr. Wakil. Even the follow-up, fantastic. It's a clinic that really care about you. They really check every time if you are okay. It's more than it's more than health. They give you something more. They give you really something, a kind of good energy that you have back in your life. It's like they give you a second chance. So thank you so much.